Start by sketching the portrait out very lightly on your watercolour paper using a pencil. We're using a reference photo as a guide for our picture. Tape your paper down using artist's masking tape to create a border. This will stop your paper moving around, and it'll also stop the paper from warping when it gets wet. Make a mental note of any areas that you would like to leave white and start adding your skin tones. Here we're using a wet on wet technique, meaning that you add water to the paper before you add any colour. You can use your brush to pull the colour across the wet areas of the paper. Keep adding more layers to darken the painting. Remember to be patient and let each layer dry before adding the next. If you're using a reference photo, keep checking back to make sure you're getting the colour tones right. For example, is there a yellow tinge to some parts of the face? What colour are the shadows? These subtle changes will make your painting more realistic. Begin to add in the hair and facial features. You can leave the hair to dry between layers or paint over the top when it's still a little bit wet for a more blended look. We've used about 3 layers here. Use a finer paintbrush to add detail to the face. Make sure the paper is dry so you'll get sharper lines. Move on to the background. We've used a geometric background here, which looks very striking. You can of course leave the background blank if you prefer it that way, or you can add a wash of colour. To finish off, add a wash of paint to the darkest areas of your painting, and you're done!